Hello everyone, in this video I am going to discuss one of the most important organic reaction sequences. Here we have a substrate, that is aniline derivative, and when we treat this with acetyl acetone, we have an intermediate product A. Upon treating this intermediate product with bromine in the presence of acetic acid, we have our final product B. So we have to find this final product and choose the correct option from these three options. So these type of questions are very useful for your exams. So make it clear. Now I am going to solve this question. Here firstly, this acetyl acetate, we have these act as an electrophile. See, we have two carbonyl sides and we have an electron pair on this nitrogen. So this will be attack at this carbon or at this carbon, because both sides are we have same effects. There is no dominating effects because both are methyl groups only. So these lone pair of electrons on this aniline will attack at this carbonyl carbon, because here oxygen drag pair of this bonded pair electrons towards oxygen, and we have a product like this. See, and now here we have negative charge on this oxygen, and this will be again delocalized here, and now we have three chances of breaking a bond, because this carbon can have only 4 bonds. So if these electrons are donated towards this carbon, then there are 3 chances of breaking bond at this carbon or at this nitrogen or at this oxygen carbon bond. So here, due to the pure covalent bond between this carbon and carbon, it will be more strong when compared to these two bonds. And now conjugation between this oxygen and this oxygen, the bond breakage is relatively easier when compared to this nitrogen, and the bond will be break here and formation of compound like this. Like this compound will form. Here finally we have acetonylide, that is paramethyl acetonylide, and also we have acetic acid, because here we have acetate, so that it can abstract this proton, and we have finally acetic acid as byproduct, and we have that is paramethyl acetonylide we have as a product A. This will be the A, and now this A again treated with bromine in presence of acetic acid. So we have to find that B. Now just treat it with bromine in presence of C. In presence of acetic acid, this bromine will give electrophile, that is Br place, because it will cleave like this, and this like this. Now we have bromine as an electrophile in this particular reaction condition. So now on this nitrogen we have lone pair of electrons, so this will be activate the ring, and these lone pair of electrons are involved in this delocalization. and it gives see these lone pair of electrons will involve in delocalization, and we have a pi bond here. These pi bonded electrons will take this ammonium ion and gives and now we have a hydrogen here, so this hydrogen will be eliminated, minus H plus, and we have product like this. So we have product like this. So this is how we have to overcome this type of reaction sequence orders in organic chemistry. In similar reactions, in some other examples, if there is they won't mention any substituents like this methyl, then the reaction will be some more different from this particular reaction. So you just try to that particular reaction. I will mention here the question. You just try to write this mechanism following same method which we have done in the earlier question. So you just follow same reaction mechanism which we have followed for the earlier case. You just try this question now. So find these products and check your answer here. Here A will be acetanilide, and this will give para-bromoacetanilide upon treating with this bromine in the presence of acetic acid. Here instead of giving orthobromoacetanilide, the major product will be para-bromoacetanilide, because here it has some steric repulsions. So thanks for watching. If you like the content, please share with your friends. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.